Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Builderman in Forsaken. Builderman is a utility-based survivor, offering both offensive and defensive tools through his unique creations. His sentries are designed to slow and damage the killer, while his dispensers provide essential healing for nearby survivors. Mastering Builderman truly involves the strategic placement of these crucial structures to control the map and support your team effectively. Let's dive into the core concepts of this powerful character. Next, let's focus on strategic sentry placement. It is crucial to place your sentries in areas that are difficult or time-consuming for the killer to reach. Consider utilizing elevated surfaces or tight corners to maximize their effective range and impact. Remember, a well-placed sentry can slow the killer by 20% within its range, giving your team a significant advantage in chases and escapes. Think about high-traffic areas for maximum effect. Now, let's talk about effective dispenser usage. Always place your dispensers in safe, common areas where survivors frequently retreat to heal. These vital structures heal 1 health point per second for anyone nearby, providing crucial sustain. A clever tactic is to place a dispenser and work on a generator simultaneously, allowing you to heal yourself or allies while progressing the objective. This dual-purpose placement is incredibly useful for team survival. For advanced Builderman tactics, avoid placing sentries in spots where they can be easily destroyed in just one hit by the killer. Instead, coordinate closely with your teammates to create strong, overlapping defensive zones. Builderman's unique abilities are absolutely key to controlling the map and anticipating enemy movement effectively. With practice, you will become a master of battlefield manipulation, significantly increasing your team's chances of survival and victory in every match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.